Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is M. Krishna Martin with NPM 224-11119 from Management 22DX. Would like to present material entitled Introduction to Business Decision Analysis. In the dynamic and ever-evolving world of business, making informed and strategic decision is paramount to success. This introductory section delves into the fundamental principles and concepts of business decision analysis, a critical discipline that empower organizations to navigate the complex landscape of marketplace challenges and opportunities. Through a systematic and data-driven approach, business decision analysts equip leaders with the tools and insight necessary to evaluate options, assess risks, and ultimately make decisions that drive sustainable growth and profitability. Defining business decision. Strategy decision Strategy business decisions are the high-level choice that set the overall direction and long-term objective of an organization. Operational decision. Operational business decisions are the day-to-day choice that ensure the smooth and efficient running of a company day-to-day activities. These decisions are typically made at the middle or lower management levels and focus on optimizing process, managing resource, and addressing immediate challenges. Tactical decision. Tactical business decision fall between strategy and operational decision, bridging the gap between high-level objective and on-the-ground implementation. The decision involves the deployment of resources and the coordination of activities to achieve specific short-term goals. Factor influencing business decision. When it comes to making critical business decisions, there are numerous factors that can influence the process. Understanding that factor is crucial for developing a well-rounded and informed decision-making strategy. Some the key elements that shape business decision include organizational goal and objective, the overseeing vision, mission, and strategic priorities of the company play a significant role in guiding the decision-making process. Market condition and competitive landscape, plus monitoring industry trend, customer preference, and competitor action can provide valuable insight to inform business decision. Data analytics. Comprehensive data collection and rigorous analysis are essential for making informed, data-driven decisions. Leveraging both quantitative and qualitative data can help uncover patterns, trends, and insights that inform the decision-making process. Data collection and analysis. Effective business decision-making relies chiefly on the collection and analysis of relevant data. This step involves identifying the key information needed to support the decision, gathering that data from various sources, and then carefully examining and interpreting the findings. Data can come from internal record, industry report, market research, customer feedback, and a range of other input. Quantitative decision-making technique. Effective business decision-making often relies on the use of quantitative technique to analyze data, assess risk, and model potential outcomes. This technique provides a more objective and data-driven approach to decision-making, helping to minimize the influence of biases and intuition. In this section, we will explore some of the key quantitative decision-making techniques the organization can leverage to support their strategy and operational decision. Qualitative decision-making technique. Brainstorming. Brainstorming is a collaborative technique that encourages the generation of a wide range of creative ideas and solutions. Scenario planning. Scenario planning involves the development of plausible future scenarios and the assessment of their potential impact on the business. Qualitative decision-making technique. Analogy and metaphor. Analogy and metaphor are powerful qualitative techniques that can help makers draw insight and listen from similar situation or concept. Delphi method. The Delphi method is a structured process for gathering and synthesizing acquire option on particular issues for or problem. Risk assessment and mitigation. Identify risk. The first step in effectively managing risk is to identify the potential risks that could impact your business. This involves thoroughly analyzing your operation, market, competition, and external factors to uncover and treat uncertainties or potential obstacles that could hinder your success. By proactively identifying risks, you can better prepare and develop strategies to mitigate them. Assess the impact probability. Once you identify the risk, it is important to assess the potential impact and likelihood of each one occurring, evaluate the suffering of the consequence if a risk were to material, as well as the probability of it happening. This risk assessment will help you prioritize which risks require the most attention and resort to manage effectively. Develop risk mitigation strategy. With a clear understanding of the risks and their potential impact, you can now develop strategy to mitigate them. This is this may involve implementing contingency plan, diversifying your operation, purchasing insurance or building and redundancies. The goal is to reduce the likelihood of the risk occurring and minimize the negative impact if then do. Regularly review and update your risk mitigation strategy as your business evolves and new risks emerge. Ethical considering in business decision. Fairness and equity. Business decisions should be made with fairness and equity in mind, ensuring the impact distribute equitably across stakeholders. Integrity and transparency. Ethical business decisions require a high level of integrity of transparency. Leaders should make decisions that link with their organization value and principle and be willing to openly communicate the reasoning behind their choice. Sustainability and environmental impact. In today's world, it is crucial that business decisions consider the long-term sustainability and environmental impact of the organization action. Social responsibility. Ethical business decisions must also take into account the organization's social responsibility. Leaders should consider how their choice affect the local community, including job cre- creating, creating economic development, and support for social program. Implementing and evaluating decision. Communicating the decision on a business decision has been made. It is critical. Efficiently communicate it to all stakeholders, including employee, customer, and partner. Developing an implementation plan. A well-draft implementation plan is essential for turning a decision into a tangible result. Monitoring and evaluation performance. Ongoing monitoring and evaluation are critical for assessing the success of a decision and identifying areas for improvement.